Okay, so I bought that Sony tape deck today at Goodwill and it actually didn't work. I had to replace the belts, which I have never done before because these belts, they became gooey. And in a few seconds I'll show you a little bit how I did it. And in the next few days I'm actually gonna make a little review of that tape deck if you're interested in. And the type, it's called stereo cassette deck TC-FX11. I am not sure about the date, but I'm gonna put that in the description. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find it. And as I said, I repaired the belts already, and I just bought that for a few bucks because I got a bunch of a few hundred cassettes as a gift, and so I just want to try them out and listen to them. And I'm pretty sure the quality won't be that good with that tape deck, but anyways, within the next days I'll maybe make a review. What I kind of like are these LEDs going up and down there, and when I bought it you could hear the motor spinning, but nothing was turning here. But as I said, I'm going to show you now how I replaced the belts, and the belt replacement took me like 30 minutes. And as I said, I've never did it before. I thought it's way more complicated. It's actually not. The only thing you have to do, you really have to clean it pretty good before you replace the belts. And as I said, in a few days I'm gonna actually send an update about that. Okay, so I want to repair that tape deck here, and you see here and there, that's where actually these rubbers are running, and they disintegrated. You see that here, they got pretty gooey, so I want to clean. So the plan, I'm going to do that, it's actually I'm using dental floss, and then I'm running the dental floss right here through these grooves. And let me just, so I want to clean these grooves here and also these down there. And as you can see, I already used some dental floss and I got most of the goo out, and then I'll hope that this tape deck will work, and then we're gonna make a review. After I had to replace the belts, and they were gummy like this, and somehow I need to clean the couch now. It works, but I had to replace all these belts.